Today let us learn how to compare decimals. Okay. For comparing decimals, compare each digit of two decimals in the same place value. Start from left, that is from the whole number part. Check the digits in hundreds, tens, ones, etc. Then check the digit in decimal part, tenth, hundred, thousand, etc. Okay. To compare numbers, use these symbols: equal to, less than, greater than, or greater than or equal, less than or equal. Let us do few questions, children. Write the correct sign less than or greater between each pair of numbers. Our first question is 4.23 and 4.54. Okay. So check the whole number part. Here 4, 4, 4, 4, same digit. Then, so check the digit in the 10th place, 2, 5. 2 is less than 5. 4.23 and 4.54. Whole number part is same, 4, 4. And digit in the 10th place is 2. Here 5. 2 is less than 5. So 4.23 is less than 4.54. Then 6.71, 6.03. Here the whole number part 6, 6, same digit. Then digit in the 10th place 7 and here 0. 7 is greater than 0. So 6.71 is greater than 6.03. Okay. Next is 0.27 and 0.03. The whole number part is 0, same. Check the digit in the 10th place. 2, 0. 2 is greater than 0. So 0.27 is greater than 0.03. Okay. Next question is, write the correct sign equal or not equal to between each pair of measurement. Okay. Here we have to write the correct sign equal or not equal to. Children, here the units of the measurements are given. First number is 6.7 liter and second is 670 milliliter. Okay. When we are comparing two measurements, the measurements are in the same units. Okay. നമ്മൾ ഈ രണ്ട് മെഷർമെൻറ്റ്സ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ്സ് സെയിം ആക്കണം. സോ ഹിയർ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് മെഷർമെൻറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ലിറ്റർ ആൻഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ ഈസ് ഇൻ മില്ലി ലിറ്റർ. സോ ചേഞ്ച് ലിറ്റർ ടു മില്ലി ലിറ്റർ or milliliter to liter. Children, let us use the tip box to help you. That is, a few conversions are given. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is 1 meter, 1000 meter is 1 kilometer, 10 milliliter is 1 centiliter, CL is centiliter, 100 centiliter is 1 liter, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, 1000 milligrams equal to 1 gram, 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram, and 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. Okay, T for ton. So our first question is 6.7 liters and 670 milliliter. Here change the smaller unit to bigger unit. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So change milliliter to liter, divide by 1000. Division by 1000 means shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. So 1, 2, 3. Which is equal to 0.7 670 liters. Okay. So we can write this as 6.7 liter and 0.670 liters. Now compare these numbers. Sorry children, we are writing equal or not equal to. So check the numbers. Here the whole number part is 6 and here the whole number part is 0. The whole number parts are not same. So we can write this symbol not equal to. Okay. Equal na എഴുതിയിട്ട് ഒന്ന് cross ചെയ്യാം. Not equal to. So first change milliliters to liter, divide by 1000, then compare the numbers. Next question is .05 ton and 4500 kilogram. Okay. Children, you can change ton to kilogram or kilogram to ton. 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. So change kilogram to ton. To change kilogram to ton, divide the number by 1000. Okay. Division by 1000 means shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. So 1, 2, 3. 4.500 ton. Okay. So 4.05 ton and this 4500 kilogram becomes 4.500 ton. Now check the places. 4, 4 same. Check the 10th place 0, 5. Here 0 is less than 5. So these numbers are not equal. So write the symbol not equal to. Okay. Similarly, you can do the other questions also. Here this question is 0.85 kilometer and 850 meter. Change meter to kilometer. Okay. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So change meter to kilometer. Here 0.985 meter and 985 centimeter. Change centimeter to meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So to change centimeter to meter, divide by 100. Here to change meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. Okay. And 14.5 centimeter and 145 millimeter. Change millimeter to centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So divide millimeter by 10. Okay. To change millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. Next is 2300 gram and 0.23 kilogram. Change gram to kilogram. Here we are changing the smaller unit to larger units. 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. So to change grams to kilogram, divide by 1000. Okay. Next question is write the correct sign less or greater between each pair of measurements. Here also the units are given 4.5 liters and 2700 milliliter. So when we are comparing two numbers, make sure that all the measurements are in the same units. So our first question is 4.5 5 liters and 2700 milliliter. Okay. So change milliliter to liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 2700 milliliter divided by 1000. Division by 1000 means shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. So 1, 2, 3. 2.700 liters, which is equal to 2.7 liter. Now compare the numbers. 4.5 liter and 2.7 liter. Check the whole number part. 4, 2. Which is greater? 4 is greater. So 4.5 liter is greater than 2.7 liter. Okay. Next is 0.06 kilogram and 550 gram. Here change the smaller unit to bigger unit. Gram to kilogram. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 550 gram is equal to 550 divided by 1000. Shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. 1, 2, 3. So 0.550 kilogram. Okay. Now compare these numbers. 0.06 kilogram and 0.550 kilogram. Okay. Compare the whole number part. 0, 0, same. Then next 10th 0, 5. 0 is less than 5. So 0.06 kilogram is less than 0.550 kilogram. Okay. Here the one unit is in kilogram and the second is in gram. So to compare these two numbers, change grams into kilogram, then compare the digits. Okay. Let me show you one more example. 7,800 meter and 0.8 kilometer. Here change meter to kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So to change meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. Shift the decimal 3 places to the left side. 1, 2, 3. So 7.800 kilometer. Okay. So 7.800 kilometer and 0.8 kilometer. Now both measurements are in same unit. Then check the whole number part. 7, 0, which is greater? 7 is greater than 0. So 7.800 kilometer is greater than 0.8 kilometer. You can write 7.800 as 7.8 kilometer is greater than 0.8 kilometer. Okay. Similarly, you can do the other questions as homework. Before doing the homework, change each measurement in the same units. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.